What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you guys could see, we have a third vehicle introduced to the Mini family. It's the Mini Quad. As you could see, we put a non-Hemi motor into a basic Tao. I believe it was a 110 before, a Tao 110 frame. It was seemingly a pretty difficult process, but it did work out. We got a box today here. Let's go take a look and dive into unboxing these parts, guys. To the workshop. I got this camera situated, and we're gonna get all set up so we can open up some brand new parts. Alrighty, I think you could see everything. This is a perfect camera angle. Let's get started. So what we have here is a ARC package from OMB Warehouse. Let me see, we've got a top plate right there. We got some fuel hose. Let's take this out right here. This is what counts right here. Thank you, OMB Warehouse. Eric Adams, the Gray Goat, once again. Let's put this right there. You guys can see it. Alrighty. So what do we have here? We have the springs, we have the fuel pump. We got the piston, we got the rings. We got the ARC rod. Let's throw this out. Alrighty. So this is what we're all waiting for to see and unbox. I haven't really seen a lot of unboxing videos of this ARC racing flywheel, the billet flywheel, in the actual packaging. A lot of people review it, obviously, and install it, but they never, I personally never seen a unboxing video on YouTube with the box. I don't know if that counts. People want to see it. There's the part numbers. Head over to ombwarehouse.com. You guys can get yourself this. So we're going to just ditch this. Get our trusty Milwaukee. Some paper. What do we have here? That's the brand new flywheel. And this, oh, it's too shiny for the camera. Look at that. It won't even pick it up. Wow, I don't even want to get my fingerprints on there. But yeah, that's wow. Yeah, that's billet for sure. Look at that, ladies and gents. ARC flywheel, as you guys can see. That is what you get when you order a ARC billet flywheel. Alrighty. Always be careful and cut away from yourself when using razor blades, obviously. The sturdy packaging we got here. So we got the brand new black top plate. And of course, the assorted hardware and the linkages to complete this plate for your throttle. You got all the nuts and bolts you need there. Walbro fuel pump. Alrighty, and that's gonna work with the fuel line, I suppose. Whoop, knocked over the OMB sticker. What a perfect fit. Obviously, it's gonna work for all the inlets and outlets. That's gonna look pretty. And of course, can't forget. Whoop, dropped one. Almost lost it. Can't forget springs. Obviously, these ones are stiffer than stock, I would hope. Lastly, we have the billet rod from ARC. There's the part number. This one we do not have to cut open. So first things first, we have the rod bearings, as you can see, brand new. Very shiny, very mirror-like finish on the inside. What we have here. If you guys want to pause that and read that, you guys can go ahead. It's just the torque specs, what socket to use and all that. What we really want to see is the thing that's wrapped up. And all this fine tissue paper being protected. Would you look at that. Brand new ARC billet rod for the 224. Looks good. You know, obviously it's brand new from OMB. It's gonna look good. So there you go. There's when it was created, so it's pretty fresh. It's 8/3/23, I believe. Yep. Fresh rod for a Honda 3.323. Looks beautiful. You look at it. It's like artwork. You almost don't want to shove it inside a motor and hide it away. This will keep your rod from you know, destroying your engine. Okay, and lastly, knife again, is the NR Racing piston, the flat top piston. There's the specs. Nothing else is on the box. Let's open it up. Wow, would you look at that? And a billet piston, flat top piston. Beautiful. Looks great. Of course, lastly, are the rings that are needed to install. Special thanks to OMBwarehouse.com and Eric Adams, the Grey Goat himself, for making this video happen. As you guys can see, all the parts here can be found at OMBwarehouse.com. Go check the website out. They have small engine parts, mini bike parts, any parts for any build you might have laying around in the shop, garage, shed. So go take a look, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next episode.